Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to order checks online Bank of America. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in bankofamerica.com, and once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you log into your account, on the top you'll find an option that says accounts. Simply tap on accounts. Now here what you need to do is select an account that you want to order checks of. Simply, and once you select it, what you need to do is you'll find an option that says services. Simply click on order checks or slash deposit slips, and once you click on it, here you'll be sent to this order summary page. Now all you gotta do is select this option that says order checks or deposit slips and then click on continue. And once you do that, here what you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and once you do that, simply click on this add to cart, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.